Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is 20 bundle in one file. Total size is 7.85 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in part. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $3. All password in this app, okay? You see here is mockup, image bundle, fonts and many other things, okay? Here is 5 close-up mockup. You can import your own logo. Same thing here. Here is 5 overlay. Wow, yes, you can import your photo and press Ctrl S. For example, open, we need a photo, delete it, open, and this one drag here. Enter Ctrl S for saving, and you see our images here. So you can adjust your own image or own photo. Same thing here. Here is version 2. Okay, wow. Next is 10 overlay. These are not jpg file, these are the file for Photoshop. 584 MBs file. Okay, open in Photoshop, reading the file. Okay, you see here 1 2 and import your own text. Okay, no, and same thing is here, volume 2. Wow, open, replace your own text or your own logo. No. Next is watercolor. 28 watercolor PSD file. You can change color or write anything. 75 layout web design. Okay, here is jpg icon, shortcut codes, sliders, headers, shop page, blogs and home page. So and you can edit in Photoshop. Here is 150 nature images, high definition. Wow, Frook. Okay, here is 150 wooden. Oh, okay. Bonus is 3. You can add or write anything. Fashion magazine tablet. This file for Adobe InDesign. And here is multi-purpose magazine layout for InDesign. Grocery. Okay, AI file for double static. Here is panic caps font. Here is rainy day photo effects. For example, open, and we need a photo, double click, delete it, and open this one. Oh, sorry, drag here. No, enter Control S for saving. Now, and you see our photo is in rain effect. Now, retrieve ad generator. Wow, write anything. Sign generator, snow overlay, 1.1 GB file. Open in Photoshop. Wait, and here is some font. Okay, extract image. Here is three different image and snow. You see snow effect. You can imply your own photo. Okay, no, I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password access. Take care, Allah Hafiz.